Blue Antidote presents How to Dye Your Hair Naturally. Few people know this, but for a very long time, coffee has been used as a natural hair dye. You can use coffee to make your light hair darker or give a healthy glow to your already naturally dark hair. It's very common for people to dye their hair. In fact, most people have done so at least once in their lifetime. Likewise, most people drink coffee. So why not use that coffee to create a natural hair dye? Although dyeing your hair naturally doesn't last as long sometimes, it is just as important to know that using this method doesn't damage your hair either. It can actually strengthen it. Traditional hair dye products contain over 5,000 different chemicals, according to the National Cancer Institute. Some of these chemicals are known to cause cancer. On the contrary, coffee is a completely natural product that won't damage your hair, but can benefit your hair. Using this all-natural coffee mixture will give your hair both the proper shade and shine you desire. This mixture will also help your hair to grow more quickly. Here's how to use coffee to dye your hair naturally. Make a strong organic coffee, preferably espresso. Non-organic coffee may contain some added chemicals. Allow your coffee time to cool off. Combine 2 cups of leave-in all-natural hair conditioner with 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds and 1 cup of cold brewed coffee. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it for about an hour. The mixture will give your hair an amazing chocolate color that contains no damaging chemicals. Another easier method is known as a coffee rinse. Here's what you do. First, shampoo your hair and then pour coffee over your head. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Use apple cider vinegar to rinse the coffee out of your hair. Then rinse your hair with warm water. If you're not satisfied with the results, continue this same process for a few days back to back. This will allow the coffee to penetrate the strands of your hair. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share with a friend. And for more Blue Antidote videos, subscribe to the channel. To learn more about natural remedies and recipes, click the link in the description below. Until next time, be happy, be healthy.